Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Doug, and this is video number 3 in a series that I've been doing about some of my classic topics regarding taking care of your fitted caps. Today we're going to tackle the topic of shrinking, which is always a popular topic, mostly because sometimes you buy fitted online and it's not quite right. So this becomes a very important technique if you buy a lot of fitted caps. Now there's 2 standard methods of shrinking that I always recommend. One involves moisture and heat, and the other one involves a filler material, which can actually take up some of the gap and the sizing of the cap if it's too big for you. And the second method basically is interchangeable. You can add it or subtract it from the cap, and you're not altering the structure of the cap as you would be in the first technique if you're using steam and heat to change it. So some of the equipment you'll need for these techniques include a hair dryer. Secondly, you'll need a spray bottle with some water, because one of the ways that we can shrink is using moisture imparted to the cap, and then you use heat to dry that out and tighten the fibers. And it really only works on the back 4 panels of the cap. The second method of using filler material is going to be more effective for taking up larger amounts of size, and also it's interchangeable. So with that disclaimer and the equipment list out of the way, let's go ahead and get into it and look at these 2 techniques for shrinking your fitted caps. Now, down below in the description, I've got links to some of my longer and classic videos that teach you how to shape, stretch, shrink, otherwise edit and maintain your caps. You can check those out if you're further interested. But other than that, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.